Running a hotel isn't just about smooth check-ins and spotless lobbies. It's about creating an experience guests won't forget. And that depends on your team. But let's be real, new staff can make or break that experience. So, what are the top 3 problems hotels face with new hires, and how do you fix them? Fast. Let's dive in. First up, new staff who treat their job like a checklist. They clock in, do the bare minimum, and pass the buck when something goes wrong. Sound familiar? Here's the fix. Train them to think like brand ambassadors. When people understand how their work shapes the hotel's reputation, they take real ownership. That's why I swear by the 7 pillars of service excellence. It turns just a job into genuine pride and responsibility. Problem 2, inconsistent service across different shifts. Nothing frustrates guests more than getting 5-star treatment in the morning and 2-star service at night. Solution? Standardize your training. Make it clear, repeatable, and universal. The 7 pillars system gives everyone, regardless of experience, the same foundation for delivering excellence. One system, one culture, one promise to every guest. And finally, number 3, staff who wait to be told what to do. By the time you hear about a problem, it's already tanked a guest's stay. Instead, empower your team to solve issues right away. Scenario-based training and real communication tools help them take initiative, so small problems stay small. Don't waste time on endless meetings. You need a system that trains, supports, and elevates every shift, every staff member. Want to see the difference? Call 1-800-516-4017 or visit flockzcommercialcleaningservice.com. Let's make your hotel the standard everyone else chases.